Hello. How we doing? Hope you all are well. Go to song radio. That one. Oh. That seems like a good volume. Hell yeah. So, today, we are... Actually, this can go down there. We are working on this Penitence Memorial. I want to do a little. No, we go center. We're gonna do a little bit of work on this, and we just need the window. It's even still a bit loud. There we go. About there. That's good. It's such a good song. While we get this global illumination baking, we're going to do a little bit of work on this. So, the first thing that we want to do is kind of work on the fade, I think. Because I like it to here. I think that's a good amount of time for it. And then we'll put in a keyframe there. And then at about 210, I think we want to have this go back to 0, this back to 0, this back to 0, and this back to 0. How does that look? There we are. And then what we'll also do is at 210 we will put the Yash. Hello Yash, how we doing? I simply must cook. It is in my nature. Jesse. We've got to cook Jesse. I think that's pretty cool. I think we could probably hold a little longer. I'm okay. We're doing all right. I've got a little sniffle, which is really annoying. On top of my cold. On top of my... Oh my god. That is a bit intense. On top of my bronchitis. So it's not ideal, but... Yeah. The font's sick. Mimi cooked on that one for real. Why did that go at different speeds? That's weird. Oh. That's why. 150. Actually, let's just undo. Oh, because I didn't select everything, that's why. I think I want it to hold for a little longer on max size before we get to copy that, and then at 180 put another frame in there. Even longer. Yeah, I think that's it. I think this could also extend out a bit. And as well as this. Cool. This will happen. I'll simulate it for you now. Let's put him up here. When you hit the main street, basically, is what I was thinking. Subject to change. Subject to change. Ooh. I probably shouldn't have pressed play while that bake was happening. Ah, well. Fuck it. Bucket. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. I'll leave it to bake overnight. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm thinking, like, around after you defeat the enemy. It's kind of tricky to simulate. I want, like, here. My pestilence. So like something like this. Like that. That's what I'm thinking. That's the vision in my head. Yeah. 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 So let's begin that process. Oh, that looks quite cool, actually. I didn't realize the fog was so varied like that. I might... Yeah, it's very... We're definitely chasing the Bloodborne high. Let's chuck in a wee little script. And chuck him in here. Little, is there an apostrophe after penitence? Yeah, it's a sprite, unfortunately. Look, you're right. Yeah, I tend to agree. Yeah, there probably should be a little an apostrophe there. The kerning, yeah. I also think it should be capital M and capital P. I might get Mimi to do a version like that. But it's pretty good for a first pass, and I can implement with this. So let's make a new thing called area title reveal. And a little scripty screw. Yeah, no, I agree. Beautiful. And this is just as simple as I need a reference to that object, and I need a on trigger enter. Beautiful. And then don't need any of that. I might also put in a little bool just because. Yeah, that'll do. And then on trigger enter. If other dot tag pair tag player and show area title close. Cool. And then what we can do is we can turn this on once we've defeated that enemy, just to be doubly sure. We probably don't need that, but look, it's fine. We'll just natively set it to true. And then we need a little sphere collider. And he's a trigger, and he's not going to live at 0, 0 actually. He's going to live right about here. Oh, actually, you know what we do need though? We do need a has been triggered. And then we also set that has triggered to true. Beautiful. Yeah. Great. And then we need the script on this. And that's pretty much it. As well as a reference to that. Let's give that a go, shall we? So there's a guy here, we fight, and then yeah, even longer, I reckon. Even longer hold on full. I should also have a thing in case you run into an enemy. We might just design around that. I forget where I put the closest enemy. We'll try it with enemies now. Because he's over there. Yeah, you should be okay. We'll try beelining it and see what happens. So what is this from? This is beautiful. Nameless song. Do you reckon it'd look better in the center or on the top middle? Yeah, I just moved it to center. We can play around with both. Let's do that. I should also move the player closer for testing, but I really can't be bothered putting him back. Bring it on, bitch. Oh, new UI. Hell yeah. Beautiful. I love how he stands there ominously. We got the character in. He don't do nothing, but he in. Hell yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah, I reckon that's right. I reckon that's about right. Ooh! Ooh, that's awesome. I hadn't seen that yet. That's dope. Hell yeah. 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 Cool. Let's try. I think that timing's about right. Let us try. It's a little annoying that they're kind of off by default. I'm going to change that so I can actually see them. Beautiful. So yes, Yash. You're absolutely right. Oh, no. We could put him up a little. I didn't want to crowd the moon is the thing. Is the reason I put him down low. We could also go down here, to be fair. How do you feel about down low? Moonshot is very important, and we kind of want to balance it. So maybe like that bottom third line, like there-ish. Let's call it 200. I wonder what it would look like if you turn the text black as it fades out. Clever cookie. Black's 000, right? Clever cookie. I should record, shouldn't I? Yeah. Ah, I'm also on the wrong frame. Yeah, I just felt like personally the center is very close to the character's head. Granted, that's not your actual character. Perhaps something to consider. Yep, valid. Valid. I quite like the bottom third. I'm going to try that out shortly. Color. How does that look? It's much of a muchness, really, actually. Changing it to black. That fades also a bit fast. Yeah, that's better. And now I think I want to bring this in a little. I could finagle these numbers all night. Dang, in my mind, I'd hoped it'd look... Yeah, that's valid. That's valid. Yeah, I like that. Let's see how that looks in game, shall we? Cool. Let's just make another tab. And hide this bad boy. And don't be free aspect, be full HD. Yeah. And can we re-trigger it? Also, don't mind, I need to move the trigger boxes so that, because the level unloads a bit quick. It's gone. Oh dear, that's funny. Cool. I really like that. let us prefab that rude boy. UI. What else did I need to do? For my next trip, I'm going to make the tunnel disappear. That's exactly right. That's what I was going to do. I was going to move this turning off A to just a little further down. Something like that. So you shouldn't be able to see it. You really need to be like here. I should also split up, make the thing, or maybe just this wall part of a different prefab. Just like that wall can be a part of the other prefab. We might do that right now. Just chuck him in there. Cool. And now I want to remove the other one in... I should also be doing this in the prefab itself, shouldn't I? Just this. Yeah, these are Jackson's changes. Yeah, we want all those too. Cool. And then in level A, fork, buildings. No, not that one. That's the one I want. You can go into B. And you are now a part of B. And you be gone. I don't want to do that in the prefab though. I just want to turn him off. Cool. That should fix some stuff. And he's in level B now. Let's put him in the proper spot. There's a bunch of extra stuff in here. That's fine. I can just chill. Yeah, sweet as. Cool. And just to be sure, level A has both of them still. No, no wall for you. Cool. And that all seamless? Yep. Beautiful. Let's see if that works. Should do. Game. This time I'm gonna try and beeline it and see how far I can get while the area text is still active. Yeah, you can totally get to that next guy. All right, I need to move him back a bit. Okay, I need to bring forward that reactivate A as well. Yeah. Oh, that's fine. No one's going to notice that. But yeah, that needs to be like here. Cool. It is for major production. Enable A, you need to be right over here. Cool. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's looking good. Yep. Beautiful. Let's give that another go. And... oh, that's right. I was also going to move that enemy. Let's turn him back on. And move this guy just back a little. Slay. Let's give that a go. Then we might do some work on the bowls, I think. Bruh. I don't need you. Big on. And be on play focus mode, please. Actually, play maximized. Let's get the experience, shall we? And let's go also, let's get Spotify to chill. It's a guy. Yep. So we need him to make more noise. But I already knew about that. I'm also thinking about removing the little tick markers if they're not going to line up perfectly. Hell yeah. That timing's pretty good. Beautiful. Oh shit, forgot about that. Gorge. Oh, hi. Shit. The silence is really awkward. I'm really excited for some more sound effects to be in. She's Bloodborne. Yeah. That little frame skip was annoying. Gorge. Cool. This got me fearing the old bard. The clashing sound effects for the weapons will really add eventually. Yeah, that's right. He is a rat. The rat man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Then you need a wider field of view. Cool. Hey-ya. Oh, is it a seam? It is. Yes, it is. There needs to be a wall behind there. Oh, great. I feel like the ambience. Yeah. Yeah, the ambience needs to be a bit louder. Way louder. And then these guys are unchanged, I think, so I'll just leave them be. I thought I brought him forwards though. Oh well. That is fine. Cool. was I going to do? Let's do a little GitHub push first. 268 changes, hot damn. Oh, that's right, I did a bake. Yep. Lighting, bake, plus area reveal, implementation. Feel, script, animation, controller, animation. Yeah, the light bake actually doesn't take too long. We're going to do lots of experimentation with those like 10 settings that you can fuck with. And I've got a 4070, which helps. Prefab. Lighting, bake, and that's pretty much it. Cool. That's going to take a moment. Oh, there we go. Cool. Let's jump back into... I'm so excited for this, though. I think you guys have really got the atmosphere down. And thank you very much. It has been a long time coming. I really appreciate that, Ethan. I need to, speaking of atmosphere, pump up the old ambience in general. All the ambience needs to get way louder. There we go. We could even go bigger than that. Yeah. That's built in, baby. That is default. That is in Unity. So what it is the way that I've set up the SFX system is that most of the sounds in the game have a dedicated prefab that gets instantiated when you want to make a noise. And then what you also need to do is create a... if you go create audio mixer, that'll create a new audio mixer asset, audio mixer controller. And that audio mixer, you can make groups, which is very handy. So I have a master, which is just kind of everything. I could group these more if I wanted to do like the classic game thing of like music and SFX and ambience so that you could control them in the settings. We're probably not going to have time to implement that, so I haven't bothered. But the really great thing about this is that you can add various effects to specific sounds. So in my prefabs that I was just talking about, so for example, the SFX ambience chirps, which are like just the little noises that you hear around. And speaking of which, actually, I'm going to pump up how often they occur. Let's put that to like 2 and 7. I can mess with their like audio level, which is really useful. Mrs. just asked if I want anything from KFC. I'm in love. Yes. So, I can mess with how loud the various noises are. Exactly. So let's crank that to 20, and then the chirps will be really loud now. Yeah. Yeah. They don't need to be that loud. Although the way I've set it up is that you don't always hear them to begin with. Yeah. Even speaking of, what I might do is the wind and screams are on the same group. So what I'm going to do is just put them to 1, both, and then make a new group. No. I wanted to do that. So screams loop. Wind loop is good, but I want you to be on the screams loop. And then the screams loop needs to be like way, way, way down. And the wind loop can be a little bit down because it was a bit loud. And then we'll set this to 0. And then we'll go from there. That's funny. Yeah. That feels pretty good. The best thing, I'm so happy with this SFX implementation because it spawns those little ambience chirps in the cross section, in the subtraction of these two box colliders, which is, I think, is very cool. And they are in local space, so they'll stay. I mean, they're in world space, so like they don't move around with the player. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people don't like the women's screams. I think I'm going to take them out. They're not quite the vibe. Let's do that now. In the SFX manager. In the other thing that I've done is I have created a scriptable object for each kind of type of SFX so that the just so that all these variables are nice and tucked away and not in just in serialized fields in here. This is busy enough as it is. So I just get a reference to this scriptable object, and this is storing all my various sound clips. But screams, male scream, female screams, be gone. Hell yeah. We love. Yeah. We love. I think that's a bit better. Mimi also just suggested some, like... Yeah, it's better. Because what am I... Yeah, I'm at like... Yeah. It's a good amount of volume. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm also going to try one thing while we're here that's on my mind is in the UI, in the poise bar canvas, I am not a fan of the markers. I want to just take them out and see how that looks. And let's maximize this actually. I don't know. I don't think I'm doing any pitch variation on those chirps as well. Ooh. Give me 2 shakes. I'll be right back. Hot dog. Alrighty. So. We back. No, I think I liked it the way it was before. Yeah. I should also check out Oscar's Maple's pause menu. Hell yeah. It's been a while since I've also tried dying to various people. Ooh. Oh, there you are. Hi. Caitlin asked if you wanted anything from KFC.
I just went to the gym.
I know. Oh, you just got back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I take you again?
Great. She's probably already ordered, so that's good. How's the gym?
I did so much cardio.
Why? Why would you do that?
Because I'm thick.
In a good way or a bad way?
Bad way.
Oh, okay. Okay.
20 minutes of running, 10 minutes of elliptical, 10 minutes of stairmaster. And then 5 minutes pulling. I am in pain.
Anya.
Cheers. How's your game?
It's alright. We're getting there.
You're getting there.
Yeah.
When's Caitlin getting in?
Soonish.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Where even are my checkpoints? So there's checkpoint 2, which is at the start and hasn't moved. Great. Or is it? No, it's at the end. Good. Checkpoint 1 is there. Okay, so let's go past that and then die. I'm live, by the way.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So if we lose to this guy, or he does nothing. Why? Probably because he is missing a stream. No, he's got streams. Huh? What the Sigma?
Hey.
What?
Don't say that.
Why not?
It's so bad.
What do you mean?
It's so gross.
What do you mean?
What the Sigma?
What a Sigma?
Please don't. I hate it.
Bruh.
I hate it with all of my heart. I hate it so much.
I don't know what happened there. That was weird. Okay, I hate that. Stop it.
Yeah, what?
My game window maximizing when I don't want it to. Okay, so how's this
Is
door?
this one
looking?
you're making?
Yeah, no, I'm just. Yes. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm currently making it.
I haven't been paying attention.
I'm currently making it.
I haven't been paying attention.
Good. Andrew, there's a buggy wuggy.
There's a buggy wuggy.
There
you
is.
reckon?
There is. Right. Actually, hell yeah. Mr. Andrew should be joining us shortly. My lovely lead programmer. Oh, well done, Valen. He fixed that. Oh yeah. Wahoo! Hello. How we doing? It's looking real good. I really like the new UI. We standin'. Don't worry about it. No one will ever miss all 3 inputs. Or all of a stream. I think it only happens... It's as designed. Brilliant. I think it only happens when you miss all of them. Or maybe I'll try if it's just the last one. I'll do a little bug test for you. So if I get one of them... Strange. We're getting a bunch of this, but I think that's just like a player... I really don't know. It is strange. It is strange. I'm also going to comment out this remove ring. Because that is now working. Yeah. Oh, like it's fine. Like I imagine you'll get around to it eventually. I just thought I'd just let you know. As you were, my friend. Enjoy your evening. Actually, before you go, one quick thing I want to show you that I've just finished. You shan't enjoy your evening. How dare you? I commanded it. Make it so. When you... I've put in the area title. What do you think? Juicy. Great. Glad you like it. Hell yeah. Well, we'll probably leave it there for today then anyway. I'll do a little push. Audio mixing changes. No. I'm gonna. What do you mean? I would never work in Sprint 5 main branch. I wouldn't do that. No. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, I've brought everything in. I've merged everything in. It's all in the main branch. Yep, gorge. I see. I see, of course, yes. Pow. 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 Gorge. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna go. Great work today, Andy. Love your work as always. Yeah. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm really excited. You too. Alrighty. Bye.